Hey everyone, looking at this Bose Wave remote. Here we have one that is in working condition. The previous video I did, I basically took apart the Bose remote, which entails removing this kind of like a silk screen kind of a piece of plastic, I guess. Word of warning, be careful as you're removing this. I took it off not very gingerly. I just peeled it back and I took it all the ways off. But I think the best way to do it would try to remove it a little bit at a time without bending it too much. As you see, I have some silk screen damage here. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. We have the circuit board, which this lays on here. And these are the test points which push us down on these contacts. I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol. This is 99%. I'm sure you could probably use a little bit less than 99% for sure. Cotton swab. Going to clean up just the pads here, the contacts. Going to try to leave the glue on there because the glue is still tacky. And the glue on this is still tacky, so I'm hoping to be able to get it down back on the circuit board properly. I'm going to clean all these contacts. And I'm also going to clean the contacts on this with the isopropyl alcohol and the cotton bud. But more importantly, I'm going to check out the whole circuit board here. And I did notice for sure, there's 4 pins right here. They were pretty flat to the board. So I've already pried them up. And here is the ground connection. As you can see, it's kind of like a vertical metal. And that was kind of pushed this way, so I brought it back. I'm not exactly sure if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to clean the board with the isopropyl alcohol and the cotton bud. This here pad, like I said, and I'm going to clean this up. I've already lifted the pads, like I said, these 4 pads here and here, and we'll see where we go from there. Stand by. Okay, I've cleaned the circuit board here. And this is what I removed from this board here. This amount of dirt, corrosion, or whatever you want to call it. However, this sheet here with the points on it, it's not much dirt on that. So the full amount of dirt and whatever was on this circuit board on these little touch pads. You see, I never touched the glue. That glue is still kind of sticky. So, as I say, we are hoping to be able to put that silk screen plate back down. So we're going to try now and reassemble and see how far we can get, and we'll check the remote to see if it's working. Just wanted to give you a very close look at the circuit board. As you can see, this is where the battery goes here, and an IC there, and looks like some resistors, or at least one, and another three-legged creature. Your IF light there, and a capacitor, which seems to be okay, looks good. Not going to bother to test that at this stage of the game. I'm hoping that this is going to be the repair of this remote. Okay, you'll be happy to know that the this actual top plate actually sits very well, sits back down pretty good. You may have to do a little bit of gluing on the edges, like right here maybe, but I think everything's making good contact now. So here's the one that is working, but I took the battery out of that one, and so we'll see what happens. So this battery goes face up like that, and put it in here, and we'll press the volume button, and there you go. Power button.
All time in Princeton for.
It actually turned on the stereo next to me. This is for the Acoustic Wave II and CD changer, which I'll show in some other video. But it just turned on the power, so it's working. Like I say, just a little bit of glue maybe up here, but we definitely know it's working. Here we go. Just one more test. Click it on.
South Coast tonight, mainly cloudy.
And radio off. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful to you.